Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to walk you through the process on how to connect Google Forms to Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, connecting Google Forms to Microsoft Outlook using an automation tool like Zapier can offer a lot of advantages for you, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. Because, for one, for example, when someone submits a Google Form response, you can automate the process of sending an email or notification to relevant team members in Outlook. And this ensures the right people are informed promptly without manual intervention. Also, you can set up instant notifications, ensuring that you're informed immediately when a form response is received. This can be particularly useful for time-sensitive matters. And also, automating the transfer of data from Google Forms to Outlook reduces the risk of manual errors that can occur when copying and pasting data, right? And it maintains data accuracy. So what we're going to do right now is simply go to Zapier.com. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to sign up. It's free anyway. And then here at Zapier.com/apps, you might want to, of course, integrate Google Forms to 6,000 plus apps. And we are going to connect it to Outlook, obviously. Click the orange button here. Right, so our first action is gonna create a trigger, which is from Google Forms. Then you will see a plus button here where it says add a step. Click on that and you will be given an option to connect Google Forms integration into, of course, Microsoft Outlook. Now, all I gotta do is simply look for Outlook. There you go. So since we have already however we wanted to integrate these two apps, so what we're going to do next is to authenticate these apps right here in Google Forms and Microsoft Outlook. All right, so you have to log in your account for both of these ones, right? So here in Google Forms and Microsoft Outlook. All right, and once you authenticate these apps, Zapier will do the rest of the work for you. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.